Okay, so first I want to write the 26 like this, like x plus delta x. So I want to choose an x. Okay, and this is going to be closest to the 27 because cube root of 27 is going to be like a whole number, right? So you sort of like find the closest number that cube root, is a whole number. So I can choose this to be, I can choose this guy to be x, I can choose x to be 27, and then I can choose this to be like -1, right? So then that will give me this. So this equals 26. Okay. Now, and the function is just going to be, so f of x is going to be cube root of x. So and then when you do the derivative, remember this is dy equal, okay, so the derivative for this one is dy equal f prime dx, right? And dx is here close to delta x. So dx and delta x are going to be the same thing. So then we have this. So dy is the derivative of this guy, which is, this one is x to 1/3. So then it will be 1/3 times x to -1/3 equal to, okay, that's just dy. Sorry, let me write it here. So dy equal to, that's 1/3 times x to -2/3 and times dx, right? This. So that will be dx over 3 times x, right? And x is 27, so I'm going to plug it in, and dx is -1. So -1 over 3 times 27 to 2/3, which is -1 over, and this is going to be, so you take the cube root of 27, that's 3, and then you square it, 9 multiplied by 3, so that's -1 over 27. So this is dy. Okay, and then the actual value here, okay, so this is, the actual value is cube root of 27. So then I will just subtract this value from it, right? So I will just do this. Let me compute this. So it will be, okay, so 3 minus 1 over 27. So 1 divided by 27. Okay, so it's going to be 3 minus 1 divided by 27. Okay, and then what happens now, that your approximation is, okay, so 20, okay, because you were trying to approximate it 26 cube root of 26. So that is, okay, so let me write this, 1 divided by 3. So that's like close to what the actual value is, because this, see, if I just do this, if I do this, if I compute the dy, okay, dy is supposed to approximate delta y, right? So the actual value, okay, so this is the actual value, right? So if you do this, right, that's just 3, right? Because I choose x to be this, but I have this much error to it. So then the cube root of 26 should be 3 minus 1 over 27, and that's close to 2.96296. That's basically it. That's approximated value. And if you just put it in your calculator, you will see that you're going to get something really, really close to that, right?